Hello everyone, today is Thursday, April 22nd. We are going over proportions review today. And what we are looking at is, this one would be a unit rate. Remember, anytime you see that per word, that tells you we're dealing with a unit rate. Let me pull up my annotator here. So this one, it says, what is the unit rate in kilometers per hour? So we set this up as kilometers over hours. And then we say that means it could also be considered a division problem. So we would write it as 4935 kilometers per or over 7 hours. That is a ratio. It's a rate. It could also be considered a division problem. So we would divide it out. 4,935 divided by 7. Let's punch that into a calculator. 4,935 divided by 7, and that is 68.54 or 68. That's not right because that was 72. 4,935 divided by 7 equals, so yeah, 6. Okay, my calculator's being silly. It keeps adding a 2. 4,935 divided by 7. 705. There we go. So we would say that's 705 kilometers per hour. So that's a unit rate. More unit rates. We want to figure out what the price per pair is. And we'll see who's watching this video because I'm going to point out this. It's 5 dozen pairs. You're not doing $70.20 divided by 5. You're doing 70 divided by 60 because 5 pairs, 5 dozen is 60 pairs. Remember, there's 12 in each dozen. So be careful with that. And then these you're comparing. You're setting up a unit rate, 324 over 9, 408 over 12, and 760 over 20. Find the unit rate of each to figure out which one is the better buy. All right. So here we have to set up a proportion. We want to go $30 for 12 cans. So what I would do is figure out the unit rate to help me solve this problem. I'm going to go 30 divided by 12. That's $2.50 per 1 can. They're saying we're getting 7 cans. So we say 7 cans down here. We're going to use the proportion. So now we got a proportion. We're using that unit rate to help us. So 1 times 7 gets us the 7. So we multiply 7 on the top as well to figure out how much it would cost for 7 cans. All right, so we're still using that unit rate to help us solve problems. Sometimes it's as a proportional relationship. Sometimes it's to compare. Just depends. So now we're setting up as this ratio, 3/5 to 6. I'm going to set it up like this because now that tells me that I divide this out straight down. 3/5 divided by 6. And that's the same on some of these. That just means division. You got to punch in your calculator using that fraction button. All right. So unit rates with fractions, decimals. Constant of proportionality. Remember, that is the term that we use, which means unit rate. It's just another mathematical term for unit rate. So it says, what is the constant of proportionality of y and x? So that's y over x. So the number of ovals represents y. So you're going to count how many ovals there are. And that's your y. And then these are your x's. And remember, we always set it up as y over x. Okay? Once again, we'll see who's watching this video. All right. So that's it. Unit rates. Constant proportionality is a unit rate. And you set those up as y over x. Don't forget. Have fun. Enjoy the rest of your day. And I will see you guys tomorrow.